In this video, we demonstrate how to vectorize the floor plan of a building. To begin, we create a drawing layer for the floor plan and set it as the active layer. We enable point snapping and configure the drawing to be displayed above the point cloud. Next, we use the Draw 3D Polyline from Segments tool, selecting 2 points for each facade to be vectorized. By holding down the Z key and selecting a point on the ground, we establish an XY reference plane at the elevation of the selected point. As we proceed, we can see the segments of the 3D polyline being created at the intersection between the ground and the facades. The combination of these two functionalities greatly simplifies this type of task. Finally, we visually verify that the polyline accurately follows the base outline of the building.